So in this video, we are going to look on what are the best alternatives to ClickFunnels out there. So if you are a user of ClickFunnels, or if you are affiliate marketer doing ClickBank affiliate marketing, if you are business owner and you try to set up your own website, blogs or funnels, in this video we're going to go step by step and look at what actually is the best alternative option to, let's say, ClickFunnels in this case. So let's go straight into it. As you can see, I'm on the ClickFunnels website right now. You can see ClickFunnels, right? And you can see here the pricing, right? So as you can see, it's very, very expensive, especially for newbies, right? It's newbies who are starting out, who, let's say, want to build up the blog, funnels, opt-in pages, thank you pages, webinar funnels. So all of that stuff, right? It's included. But let's look at this first. Let's look at this page. You see, basic, it's $127 per month, and pro is $157 per month, and funnel hacker, right, it's $208 per month, which is very, very expensive for someone who is starting out. Let's say for a business owner, right, running Facebook ads, Google ads, paying for other softwares out there, it's really, really costly thing. Now they have a monthly plans, right? So usually monthly plan is going to be much more expensive. So let's have a look at it. You can see if you're paying monthly, you have to pay $147 per month minimum, and here almost $300 per month. You know, you can see $297 per month for what? For 3 websites, unlimited funnels, 15 admin users, okay, 200,000 contacts. But do you really need that? Ask yourself. What is the basic thing? If you're a small business owner, or if you want to make money online as an affiliate, promoting affiliate products, for example, on ClickBank, you don't need all of that stuff. Believe me, you don't need to have to fork that much money every single month on some software, right? And usually they're promising you that you're just one funnel away, right? I usually say you're one funnel away from getting broke if you are paying for this nonsense, because you don't need all of that stuff that it's over here, right? And you can see over here what are they giving to you, right? Okay, you have affiliate program, you can have 15 courses, 3 domains, 100 funnels, but at this price I'm spending already money on Google ads, and you can collect leads, right? You can already spend money on Google ads and get a sale or two for $2,000 per month or something like that, right? So you really don't need to pay this much money. So let's look at it. What are the alternatives out there, right? Better options. So let me go over here and let me show you what are the other options. Like you can have Kartra, lead pages, Insta page, get response, right? Even for for email marketing. Then you have ConvertFlow, Optimize Press. So all of these, as you can see here on my screen, all of those are the options that you can choose from. But what is my best option, my favorite option? I'm going to show you, right? It's not ClickFunnels. Of course, it's WordPress. Now, why WordPress? Number one reason is open source, right? Which means it's free and it can be modified to meet all the custom needs. If you're a small business owner, if you're a pet store owner, if you're an affiliate marketer, it works perfectly because you have control over it. Not like ClickFunnels, you don't have control over there, but with WordPress you have a lot of control over it. It's also customizable. It's SEO friendly if you're doing SEO marketing. It's also widely used. You can research WordPress. It's really, really used among business owners and affiliate marketers. It's also scalable, right? And user friendly. So if you're a beginner, if you're a newbie, you don't have to waste lots of money. You see, you can get started for free with WordPress. You just need the hosting, right? So for the hosting, how much you have to pay? For the hosting, you're only paying $14. Let's say 12 to 14 US dollars per month. So that's it, right? $14 per month. Now, what is the best option for hosting? I would say HostGator. Personally, I love HostGator. It's reliable and also it's trustworthy. It's also cheap. So if you're a beginner, it's cost efficient way to get started, to connect your site with hosting. So it works beautifully. Now, why HostGator? As I say, affordable, right? User friendly. Also have good customer support. They always reply. If you have errors along the way, they will help you. They fix everything in the first 24 hours, usually even quicker, depending on in the world you live. It's also scalable and easy WordPress integration, right? Because HostGator offers easy integration with WordPress, and it makes basically a good option for all the WordPress users, right? If you remember, I mentioned before, WordPress is better than ClickFunnels. It's reliable, it's affordable for newbies. You don't have to waste $300 per month or $3,000 per month, right? Yeah, you heard it right. People are paying $3,000 per annually per year just for this ClickFunnels software. I mean, if you invest $3,000 in mentorship or $3,000 on Google Ads, you would already be making great return on your investment. So yes, if you're watching this video, what to do next? So we covered what are the options and what to do next. If you want to get results with ClickBank affiliate marketing or with high-ticket affiliate programs, what you can do is subscribe to my channel, like this video, and below this video are going to be links to my social media accounts where you can basically reach out to me one-on-one, ask me any questions regards to affiliate marketing, ClickFunnels, or any kind of websites. And also, if you want to have a 50% or more discount on the HostGator, I have my link below this video, so you can find the link for HostGator somewhere in the description below this video, right? So if you're not sure, just contact me one-on-one and I will help you to set up also your hosting. So again, thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and see you in the next one.